Speaker, sir. During the last few months, sir, the country as well as the state, we have lost 19 leaders across the country from different legislative assemblies and also MPs in the parliament. And as far as our state is concerned, sir, within these few months, we have lost a great leader of the state, Shri S.C. Marak. We used to call him Sar Salsen, who has been in public life for a number of years and till the end. He was still active in the party as well as in public services. Sir, the demise of our late S.C. Marak is really a great loss to the state, and not only to the state alone, but it is a great loss even to the northeastern state and the nation as a whole. He has been also a former Chief Minister of Meghalaya. Sir, I was so lucky on the 15th Independence Day this month. I happens to be in Tura for official flag hosting, and that very day itself, sir, I came to know that our late S.C. Marak was very ill in Tura Civil Hospital, and immediately after the official function, I went personally to visit him in Tura Civil Hospital, and I could see that moment. He was very, very ill, and he was trying to talk to me. He was trying to open his eyes, but of course he could not due to the severe illness. Sir, the footprints of this great leader, I am very sure the members of this August House and also people of the state will always be inspired, will always remember, will try to also follow his footsteps as he already shown to us. And he is also publicly known as a leader who practiced clean politics in the state of Meghalaya. So therefore, sir, I would like to send my deepest condolences to his children, grandchildren, relatives of late S.C. Marak, and also I pray that God will comfort them, and I am very sure God also will sooner or later replace this tallest leader of the state to somebody who can fill up the vacuum that we have today. The second leader, sir, that we have lost during these few months, late Raisen Mauser. Mr. Raisen Mauser was a nominated member of the United Khasi Jati Hills Autonomous District Council from 1958 to 1967. In 1967, late Raisen Mauser was elected as member of the District Council from Nongstoin constituency, And in 1972, he was elected to the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly from Mount Tengkut constituency, West Khas Hills district. In 1979, Mr. Mausor was again re-elected as MDC, representing Mount Tengkut constituency. Sir, his demise, his passed away, again, is a great loss to the constituency as a whole, to the West Khas Hills, and also the state of Meghalaya. So again, we send our deepest condolences to the bereaved family, and also may God grant his soul eternally in peace. Sir, we have also lost Shri Posom Kim Hun, MLA from Arunachal Pradesh, Damodar Rao, former Odisha Minister, Mukhtar Ansari, MLA from UP, late Avinashi Ganesh Murthy, Member of Parliament from Tamil Nadu, late Bibek Dhakar, Member of Rajasthan Legislative Assembly, late P. Gosananthi, Member of Tamil Nadu Legislative Assembly, late A.M. Krishnamurthy, MLA of Puducherry, late Rajiv Bir Singh Diller, Member of UP Legislative Assembly, late Srinivasa Prasad, Member of Parliament and former Union Minister, late C. Vilayutham, Member of Tamil Nadu Legislative Assembly, late M. Selvaraj, former Member of Parliament from Tamil Nadu, late Kamla Beniwal, Member of Rajasthan Legislative Assembly, late Pandurang Patel, former Member of Maharashtra Legislative Assembly, late Rakesh Doltibat, former MLA of Haryana, late Ramesh Rathod, former Member of Telangana Legislative Assembly, late Dharmapuri Srinivas, former Member of the Telangana Legislative Assembly, and late Bodhadeb Bhattacharjee, former Chief Minister of West Bengal. Sir, we have lost these great personalities from different legislative assemblies and also from the parliament. So I would like to send our deepest condolences to the bereaved family, and I'm sure God will replace the vacuum created by these personalities in the future for running the country and also the respective states. With these few words, I conclude my speech.